So hi friends, I'll just add this clip on the starting part of this video reaction to give a disclaimer that some parts of the music video is cut or jump up. So kinat ko siya, and at the same time, if you can notice, the volume of the music video itself is adjusted to the lower volume, and then the saturation, the brightness, yeah, the effects of the video itself is adjusted or was adjusted by me to avoid YouTube copyright, because this is just a fair use, just for fun, and I'm not no intention of reposting the video, so I had to do that just to avoid a violation. So yun lang. Enjoy watching. Hi friends. Bear with me, okay? This is my very first music video reaction. As much as I want to really wait for Ahof MV, but I just think that ang tagal pa nun. And since sabi nga nating mga Pinoy, tangkilikin ang sariling atin, and since our own P-pop has released their Da music video, which is SB19's Da music video. This was actually released 5 days ago, and ngayon lang ako magre-react. And disclaimer, I haven't watched anything yet. I was not spoiled at all. So like honestly though, I haven't watched any spoilers yet. So this is my first impression with the music video. And please bear with me. Aside from this is my first time, I'm not a professional singer or anything. I'm not professional at all. So this is just for fun. So yeah. Let's go and get real. Oh. Sino to? Si Pablo? By the way, guys, hindi ko muna sasabihin sinong bias ko. Kung hindi nyo alam, hulaan nyo na lang.
Dati lang, payapa, malaya at puno ng pagmamahal ang lahat.
Pablo?
Naglaho ng dahil sa makamundong kasakiman.
Wow. I don't know if dahil Pinoy lang ako, kaya ito yung appreciation ko in terms of this kind of scene. Kasi in terms of K-pop, pag nanonood ako ng mga music video ng K-pop, hindi ko agad ma-pinpoint yung story ng music video. It's because, diba, initially, hindi naman laging lahat may subtitles. And for this one, kahit naman walang subtitles, naiintindihan ko. So, first scene pa lang, first impression, initial reaction for the first 24 seconds, mapapasabi ka na ng, is this really a music video or is this a movie? Or is it just me? I don't know. So, dam is from the word pakiramdam? I've been meaning to ask that during my live sa TikTok actually, pero ayoko nga itanong kasi baka ma-spoil ako. Let's see. Wow. Harry Potter. Ano nga yung tawag ng bahay ng Harry Potter? Oh, shucks. I hate these moments when I get mental blocked. Anyways. Parang Harry Potter. Oh, wow. Josh. Ang ganda ng... Oh! The gold everywhere reminds me of very Gento. Connected ba to sa Gento? What you gonna do? Di ba yung... Meron ganun scene sa Gento eh. I'm not comparing ha, naalala ko lang. Alam ko, hindi ko pa nakakita kung sino to. Alam ko na agad tong deep voice na to. Si Philip. Ken? Tama ba? Yes. Philip, no, not Philip. Ken reminds me of Felix of Stray Kids. I love Felix. Go Stel. Stel never fails to serve vocals. Justine. Oh, wow. In Fair, catchy ang chorus. Wait lang, parang ganda ng steps. Oh, I can't wait to watch the performance video. Very synchronized sila dito kahit saglit lang pinakita yung ano. Oh, wow. Ang hot ni Stel. Wah! Grabe vocals ni Stel. Never fails. Grabe. Taas. Grabe, ang galing ng production. Ginastusan talaga. Actually, no, seryoso yun. May nabasa ako sa X. Nakakwento ko lang. Na P-pop is really, anong tawag doon? Lumalaban ang P-pop from BINI, SB19 to K-pop. Like, this is actually one of the proof why people say that. Kasi, music video-wise, grabe. Ginastosan, pinaghandaan. Oh, very talented. Oh, wow, sino yun? Pablo! Oh, Justin looks so good here. Bagay na bagay. Grabe. Seryoso ha, aside from the music video itself, hindi naman talaga ako maalam. Pero ang ganda nung, hindi ko alam yung like the story behind this music video. Pero pag pinapanood mo siya, the lyrics and then isasabay mo siya dun sa music video, magigets mo na agad kung ano yung message na sinesend nila sa audience or sa mga taong nanonood. At saka hindi siya corny. I mean, the acting, may mga acting kasi 'di ba na corny pag pinapanood mo siya. And this one not at all. Ako nasasaktan sa vocals sa growl ni Pablo, pero ang galing. I don't know. Pablo for me always screams power. He always screams power. Oh, dance break. Oh, wow. Wait, bakit? Oh. Mas lalo akong na-excite sa performance video. Gusto ko makita yung dance break na yun. Oh, wow. Tapin. Ano to? Oh, naging bato. Oh, wow, nagulat. Kailangan ng ihi ni ano to. Sino ngayon yung ibon na kailangan, my God, nakalimutan ko na. Ibong Adarna. Grabe, very vocal heavy yung part ni Pablo. Growl lagi. Oh, wow. Oh, I love this part. Ang sarap pakinggan ng malalim na boses ni Ken. Napagod ako dun ah. Oh, very, very vocal heavy. And ako lang ba? Pero they started it with rap. Tama ba? Oh, na yung umpisa, yung inumpisahan ni Josh. Josh ba yung umpisa? Justin, nakalimutan ko na. Yeah, my thoughts. So my personal thoughts, oh my God, as a first time reactor, I would say theme pa lang, it's very dark. It's very dark, and the way they or not really discuss, but the way they focus on the issue of overcoming someone's dark side or dark side and negative side. That's my understanding dun sa music video, overcoming from the dark side of life or personal of each personal experience. That's a very heavy topic and a very dark concept. And seryoso I know hindi ako unang magsasabi nito, pero kudos. Halatang pinaghandaan, pinaggastusan, pinag-isipan. Grabe yung, hindi ko binasa kung sino yung yung sa music production, yung music video production, kasi grabe ang bigat eh. First scene, for me, unang scene pa lang, nung pinakita pa lang yung parang castle. Is it castle? Is considered castle? Yung yung house. It reminds me of Harry Potter, especially in the scene where Voldemort, yeah, nung lumabas si Voldemort, di ba madilim ang lahat, tas nakatingin ang karamihan dun sa, my God, di ko maalala yung bahay nung Harry Potter na kung Hogwarts. Oh my God, Hogwarts, yes. Para siyang Harry Potter for me kasi it reminds me of Hogwarts. Grabe yung production, I would say. And mag-uusap pa ba, do we have to talk about the talent? Yung talent ng SB19, yung talent ng Pinoy, it's always there. Pero to be honest though, I'd hate to compare, but lumalaban talaga ang P-pop. Like P-pop is opening, I mean SB19 and Beanie are opening doors for P-pop to be well known. Kasi seriously though, this kind of talent should not be slipped in or slipped on. Tama ba? Hindi dapat tinutulugan tong gantong talent. Very all-rounder. Tsaka I love the fact that in every scene, hindi mo, I don't know, maybe because onti lang sila, hindi ko alam. Pero every scene, hindi ka mapapasabi na, okay, kailan yung part ni ano, kailan yung part ni ganito, ganyan. Kasi parang every part of the song, like part ni Pablo, part ni Josh, ni Ten, bakit napunta si Ten? Ni Josh, ni Ken, um, they nailed it in every part. So parang lahat sila nagli-lead doon sa bawat part nila. Yeah, I just think that lagi naman, dahil talented sila, pero for this one na first impression ko talaga, I would say that nag-stand out sila in each of their part of this music video. And I am really looking forward to watch for the performance video of this one kasi gusto ko makita yung dance break. Gusto ko yung may pagtalon, binahawak yung isang paa, tapos tinalunan ng isang paa. I'm really looking forward to that. So, yeah, that's just it. Oh, I'm shy. Wala lang. Since it's my first time, please bear with me. I might be talking nonsense lang. So, yeah. Yan na muna. For now. So, bye for now.